you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talk.
Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. And today I'm gonna teach you something really cool. Today I'm gonna make you something special, but this is quite a bit trickier than others. How to sit on a chair. But this is not a tricky version, but all you need to use is a mic, cart, and a wrench. So materials needed is wooden trapdoor or any type of trapdoors, rail, minecart, obsidian, piston, quartz slab, lever, and a quartz block. And today I'm also gonna make a simple cinema room. Another news for today. So you can also add glowstones or any glowy devices that you can add so you will have amazing light for your cinema room. So we will do again the another step because the first thing that is accidentally broke the part where, so we need to do it again. Just repeat this way until you make two to three chairs or a couch. Now all you need to do is so so we're only all you need to do is to tap the right button like that. Tap the right button so you can sit over this chair or this movie couch. So it's time to sit on it. To sit on this chair, you must tap right or you must hold it. Here's the perspective. So this is the way how you can sit in the seat that we made on this sittable couch, movie couch. So thank you for watching my wonderful video and see you next time on the